Guys, this is Muskan Lathar, a third year Indian medical student. I'll be talking about something which is very important for those of you who are applying for admissions in medical school. Before talking about medical colleges here, I would like to know which school did you go? As in a private school or a government school. I was in 5th grade when my parents chose to take me out from Kendriya Vidyalaya KV, which was a government owned, into a school which was privately owned, that's DPS. Also stating here about a friend who went to KV along with me and now is studying in AIIMS Patna. Adding to it, I know a person who went to a private school and is now studying in another AIIMS. We all have this notion that in government schools the teachers don't teach well, but also the environment is not good. Then how did my friend who went to KV is now studying in a good prestigious college like AIIMS? All that mattered was his state of mind. So does it really matter which school did you come from? Or what matters is how much courage did you have to put in yourself truly in front of the outer competition. I have grudges to none, whether an Indian medical student going to a private college or a government college. What matters is your input, your internal factor. External factors come in play later on. First is you. Rest is secondly. The external factors I am talking about to put in when choosing a medical college are: first, the patient inflow; second, the research work done there; third, the faculty; and fourth, very important, that is paying capacity. The number of patients would determine your interaction, examination, and all those factors which help you in learning. If you are very lucky, you'll get to scrub in also. But know it in your heart that your interest will make you grow. Sometimes there will be many patients in there, but you'll not have the zeal to go and do it in examination. Next is research. It is very, very important in developing your CV if you're interested in going abroad for your later courses, such as for USMLE, PLAB. Furthermore, teachers or faculty. Teachers can make you love a subject or make you hate it too. So personally, I feel that it is a very important factor in choosing a college. Teachers can be great role model. Doctors as an individual have so much respect in the society. When you have teachers as your role model whom you look up to, who are good at teaching side or on their clinical side, have so much impact on the children. When their children look up to them, they have something which they can be proud of, they can have confidence and look up to them and grow. Lastly, the most important factor is paying capacity. It is said in India that you need to study harder to go into a government college so that your parents can pay the less amount, because your parents are not capable of giving such a hefty amount to a private college. There is no comparison whether a government college is better or worse than a private college. The comparison is made on the basis of the paying capacity, that those who are poor economically don't have a choice to choose their medical college and thus have to aim only for government medical colleges. I think there is no comparison between a private medical college and a government medical college. Both have pros and cons to their side. Thus, I hope every individual makes their best effort in choosing and excelling themselves by their efforts and focus in life and not think about the external factors more. So I'll end this topic here. Thanks a lot. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Have a great day.